Hey guys, welcome back to Time Machine Scale Models. I had an amazing weekend. You guys probably saw my posts about it. It's going to be hard to top that for a little while, but now it's time to get back to the bench. So I've been thinking about the Fat Fenders Finschrome group build coming up in November, and I'm trying to decide what I would like to build. Now I've got a stash. It's not as big as some people's stashes, but I do have a stash. And in that stash I have a lot of Fat Fender cars, as well as cars with fins and chrome. So I'm trying to whittle it down to what I'd like to build. So I'm having a hard time doing that. So what I've decided to do is I've selected 4 kits, and out of those 4 kits I'm going to turn the floor over to you guys and let you guys decide which kit I'm going to build for the group build. And how we're going to do that is, in a couple minutes I'll turn you around here and I'll introduce you to the 4 kits that I've selected. And out of those 4 kits that I've selected, you guys are going to select the one that I'm going to build. You'll comment down in the comment section which one you think I should build, and the one with the most comments is the one that I'm going to build. No questions asked. So without further ado, let's get you guys spun around here, get a view of the bench, and I'll introduce you to the kits. Stick around. Okay guys, welcome back. So kit number 1 is going to be the 41 Plymouth. Now I've never built this kit before. I don't know how this builds up, but with about 2 months to build, I'm sure I could figure it out. So like I said, this is kit number 1. If you think I should build this one, comment 41 Plymouth down below. Next kit is another kit that I've never built before, the 41 Willys. I've seen this kit so many times, and it's a beautiful kit when it's built, and I'd love to build this one someday. So if you think I should build the 41 Willys, comment below. Alright, next one, it's a finned car and lots of chrome. 59 Cadillac Eldorado Seville hardtop. Now I've built a couple of these Cadillacs before. I've never built the hardtop, usually just the convertible. But if you think I should build this one for the group build, comment below. Alright, the next one is its sister. The pink Cadillac 59 convertible. I've built this one quite a few times, as a matter of fact, and it's always a fun build. Obviously it's got those beautiful fins, and it's got hella chrome. So if you think I should build the 59 Cadillac convertible, comment down below. Okay, so now you've seen the 4 kits that I've selected. It's up to you guys to tell me what kit you think that I should build. And like I said, it's going to be no questions asked. You guys select the kit, I'm going to build the kit. So, get to commenting. Thanks for watching.